Hey friends, what's up? My name is Beth.
Hi, I'm Christina.
Hi, I'm Janet.
Today I'm thrilled because I am doing a collab with Christina from RaisingBiracialBabies.com, as well as Yanet from Mixed Kids Hair Tips Facebook group. So I'm really pumped. 3 great, powerful women here, and we're all gonna be sharing our experiences and what it's like to raise biracial families, to have mixed children, how we talk to our kids about being mixed race and how they can identify with who they really are. We're also going to share our big announcement where we are launching Mixed Kids Corner, a safe place and community for families just like ours to share their experiences, struggles. We're gonna have live Q&As, training, speakers, giveaways. There are so many benefits, so I can't wait for us to share that with you. Let's go ahead and get started.
I'm the founder of RaisingBiracialBabies.com, and I believe you can raise mixed kids who feel empowered by their unique heritage.
I started Mixed Kids Hair Tips because I wanted my daughter Marley to look fabulous, but I really didn't know where to start with her hair. I'm a pediatric oncology nurse by day, so most of the kids I deal with don't have any hair at all. So in the end, it ended up being a wonderful thing.
And I am the founder of the YouTube channel, Girls with the Curls. I started this channel so I could teach other parents of mixed race children how to care for their child's curly hair. This is something brand new to me. As you can see, I have straight hair, and there were a lot of trials and errors that I had to go through in order to figure out how to manage my child's beautiful curly hair properly. So on my channel, I share that with you, along with other things that mixed race families and multicultural families have to deal with in their everyday lives. So I think I've dealt with every normal thing that mixed families have to deal with when they're raising biracial kids. And by normal, I do not mean that it's acceptable, but I have been asked, am I my children's nanny? Are they my children? Do they all have the same father? Things like that. These are what families of multiculturals deal with, unfortunately. Also, when I was renting somewhere and my children were younger, I actually got a letter in the mail from the landlord saying I needed to close down my daycare. I was like, what? Obviously, I didn't have a daycare at the time. I had 3 small biracial children that look nothing like my skin tone, and unfortunately, these are the stereotypes that mixed families have to deal with.
I think the biggest struggle in raising mixed kids is teaching them to love who they are, love their unique heritage, and have a positive self-identity, while simultaneously preparing them and teaching them that most of the world sees them as less than, or not worthy, or not good enough, and that their lives don't matter just because of their skin color. So that duality between how do you teach them how to love themselves, but also teach them that a lot of the world doesn't see them as worthy.
The biggest struggle that I've had in raising mixed kids is actually internal. I really wish that I'd had a better relationship with my husband's family and my husband's sisters. I was hoping that they would help me with Marley's hair, but that wasn't the case for whatever reason, and so I decided to start Mixed Kids Hair Tips to connect with other parents who perhaps are as lost as I was and needed a connection and some guidance as to where to even start.
How do I talk to my kids about being mixed race? Well, in really simple terms, I have pretty young kids, so we have said that they're half daddy and half mommy, and they get the best of both worlds. And we read a lot of books that talk about being mixed, and that's how we've approached it so far.
Talking to my kids about being mixed race is so important. I do it on a daily basis. It's part of our lives. I make sure they know exactly who they are, where they came from. Although they are young, I am keeping this an open forum with them. They know they can come to me about anything. I also don't only talk about it, but I act on it. They know I have a diverse cultural background of many different friends, and our books, our toys, our dolls, everything to that nature is mixed race, black, white, because it's a beautiful thing and I want my kids to know that.
How I talk to my kids about being mixed is that I mostly let them bring it up. And I let them know when they do that it's something that makes them very unique. I remind them that what makes them different now is what will make them unique later. And depending on where they are in the world, that's a hot commodity and they could be considered exotic. The tips that I have for parents of other mixed kids is that I would say that it's okay to let your kid feel however they feel on any particular day about being mixed.
The tips that I would have for other parents with mixed race kids are knowing as the parent how to do their hair and teaching your kids how to take care of their own hair. Also reading lots of books with diverse characters, watching shows that have diverse characters. Your kids need to see themselves in what they're reading and what they're seeing and in their everyday lives. They need to see their families represented. Representation matters, and that goes so far in promoting and creating positive self-identity.
Tips that I have for other parents that are raising biracial children: make sure you are open with your children. You let them know exactly who they are. You have to develop a thick skin, so it's very important as a mother that I have a thick skin, because I know my children are going to have a thick skin and how they will be judged in this world. Also, make sure you have books of different race children, dolls, Barbies, things like that. And lastly, please educate yourself. Make sure you are researching what it is to be the other race that maybe you haven't identified with. Find like a strong community or friendship. Develop those so that you'll be able to speak open-mindedly about these things without fear of judgment. I am so excited about the launch of Mixed Kids Corner. This is going to be an amazing community where parents and caregivers of multi-race children feel safe.
The supportive community that we'll have parents that can share the joys of raising biracial kids along with the challenges or the struggles that we face. And you know, a lot of people don't have that supportive community in their actual lives, so having this community of parents I think is going to be really great, and that's what I'm most excited about.
Direct answers to their questions and VIP coaching, exclusive offers from experts like Beth from Girls with the Curls, and Christina from RaisingBabies.com, and me. I wish I would have had it when I first had my daughter Marley. I needed someone to connect with, someone who would coach me through this hair journey, someone who would be there and hold my hand from the beginning, tell me where to start. And with Mixed Kids Corner, you have that. It's not just about hair, it's about all things mixed.
This is going to be an amazing community where parents and caregivers of multi-race children feel safe. Also, I am now a single mom of 4 mixed race children. My daughters are going to go through things that I never, ever had to experience. I am making sure I'm educating myself and building a community of strong other parents and families. That way we can get through these struggles together and enjoy this beautiful journey of having multiracial families. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and our collaboration. We are so excited for the launch of this group, this community, Mixed Kids Corner. We hope you'll join us. There are so many great benefits, and it's just gonna be like one big, beautiful family. I'll make sure to leave links in the description below of all the women that collaborated with me. Also, a link for the Mixed Kids Corner. Go ahead and sign up for our wait list so you'll be notified when our special promotion is live. You can save actually $10 a month on this membership price, and you will be grandfathered in forever. But it is a limited time period. You have to sign up within the week. So depending on when you are watching this YouTube video, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell. That way you'll be notified for all of our future videos. comment below. Let us know what you guys thought of this video. What's your journey been like? What are some of the struggles you've had? How do you teach your children to love themselves and really embrace their identity? I want to hear from you guys. I'm so excited to share this journey with you. Thank you so much. Take care. God bless.